Hi everyone, today I'd like to introduce our Immersive LEGO Co-Builder, a mixed reality system that integrates vision language models to deliver interactive, AI-assisted guidance for LEGO assembly. This segment demonstrates the functionality of the control panel toggle button, which allows users to hide or show the control panel as needed. Here, we demonstrate the VLM selection feature. When the user clicks the VLM toggle, a list of available vision language models is displayed. The user can then select their preferred model with a single click. This section showcases the core control panel functions, including next step, previous step, zoom in, zoom out, rotate left, rotate right, repeat step. These controls help users easily navigate and inspect the assembly process. This segment highlights the camera panel functionality. The camera panel provides a live preview, allowing users to understand how captured images will appear before taking a photo. Here, we demonstrate the chat interface. Users can submit requests and ask questions about the current assembly step. In this example, the user enters the command next step, the AI agent processes the request and automatically advances the assembly to the next step. This section demonstrates the assembly guidance workflow. As the user builds the LEGO model, they can ask the VLM to verify their progress by clicking the Check Assembly button. Before requesting a verification, the user must capture 2 to 5 images of the LEGO model from different viewpoints, such as the left, right, top, and bottom. Assembly verification requests can also be submitted through the chat interface. These images are then sent to the AI agent for analysis. If the assembly is correct, the system automatically advances to the next step. At the same time, the 3D model highlights in red the components that should be attached next, providing clear visual guidance for the user.